Welcome to Sema4.ai Studio, where today I'm introducing Sai, our AI assistant that lets business analysts build enterprise agents without writing a single line of code. Sai puts the power of agent creation directly in the hands of those who understand the business best. To demonstrate Sai's capabilities, we'll build a Procurement Analytics Agent in under 10 minutes. Procurement teams struggle with complex document analysis across purchase orders, invoices, and payments. Finance leaders need powerful analytics to spot inefficiencies and opportunities. Our agent will deliver these insights in minutes, work that typically takes developers days to accomplish. Our agent will connect to Snowflake, where this procurement data resides after document processing, enabling natural language queries across the entire procurement lifecycle. It will translate these questions into optimized SQL, execute queries against the data lake, generate interactive visualizations, and save complete analysis to Google Sheets for sharing with stakeholders. As you can see in this comparison, the traditional approach requires specialized technical skills across 5 phases, taking 10+ days, while our Sai-powered method needs no technical expertise and completes the entire process in under 10 minutes. Let's start building our agent with Sai. From the Studio home screen, we'll select Build with Sai to initiate our AI-assisted development process. Notice how different this is from traditional development. We're starting with a conversation about business needs, not technical specifications. The first phase is intent discovery, where I'll simply describe my business need to Sai, analyzing procurement documents to track timelines, identify discrepancies, evaluate discounts, and generate financial insights. As I share my business requirements, notice the split panel interface that appears. Sai on the left guides us through the process while showing us the agent taking shape on the right. Based on my use case, Sai recommends both a name and description for the agent that we can refine through natural conversation until they perfectly match our vision. With the name and description established, watch how Sai asks intelligent follow-up questions to clarify requirements. It's probing for data sources, visualization preferences, and integration needs, exactly the questions a seasoned developer would ask. I'm providing specific details about our requirements. For data sources, we use Snowflake with Cortex Analysts to generate and execute SQL queries. I'm outlining our priority metrics, procurement cycle timelines, payment compliance, discount effectiveness, etc. We need visually appealing charts for each question and the ability to save complete results to Google Sheets with each analysis on a separate sheet. Now that Sai has everything needed to understand our business requirements, it's ready to create the first version of our runbook. This is traditionally the most technical part of agent development, requiring detailed knowledge of actions, workflow orchestration, and error handling. The runbook defines how our agent operates in natural language instructions. Remarkably, Sai generates a complete runbook in seconds, defining precisely how our agent should process natural language queries, connect to Snowflake, execute SQL, generate visualizations, and export results to Google Sheets. The technical complexity is abstracted away through natural language. I can easily refine the runbook through conversation. For example, I'll specify that the agent should use Snowflake Cortex Analyst to generate SQL rather than crafting queries itself. Sai immediately updates the runbook with these changes, maintaining its coherent structure. I'll approve the runbook. With our runbook complete, Sai automatically identifies the actions or skills our agent needs from the gallery or creates any custom actions required. For our agent, it's selected Snowflake Cortex for data access and Google Sheets for saving results. The most impressive part, for actions not available in our gallery, Sai creates a custom action by generating implementation stubs. Here it has created a Vega-like visualization action, complete with code structure, docs, and parameter definitions. I'll mention to Sai we also need to share analysis with team members. Watch how Sai immediately recognizes this requires Google Drive integration and adds the appropriate action package to our agent. Before deploying, I'll configure the Snowflake connection by specifying our database, schema, and warehouse details. This step ensures our agent can securely access our procurement data lake. With all components ready, Sai builds our complete agent package, combining the runbook, action packages, and configurations into a deployment-ready unit. This packaging process would typically require significant technical knowledge, but happens automatically. One click on Deploy, and our Procurement Analytics Agent is live. In less than 10 minutes, we've gone from concept to a fully functional enterprise agent. No coding required. Let's test our agent by first asking about available procurement documents. Our agent immediately provides a comprehensive overview of purchase orders, invoices, and payment records available for analysis, showcasing its understanding of the data landscape. Now, for a more complex query, what is the average time from purchase order creation to invoice generation, and then to final payment for IT equipment orders in Q1 2024? Watch as our agent translates this natural language question into optimized SQL, executes it against Snowflake, and returns a detailed analysis. Let's try another question. Calculate the total discount amount received across all purchase orders and invoices, broken down by equipment category and vendor. Our agent not only returns the raw data, but provides valuable insights and recommendations, true business intelligence, not just data retrieval. While the agent is already providing valuable analysis, we notice the visualization component isn't rendering yet since it's just a stub. One of the most powerful features of Studio is the ability to open the entire agent project directly in your favorite IDE. Notice how I can simply click Open in your IDE from the menu, and Studio launches my default IDE cursor, where the Sema4.ai SDK extension is already installed. This extension automatically sets up the complete agent environment with the runbook, actions, and all required Python dependencies, creating a seamless development experience. With the agent now open in Cursor, I'm leveraging the comprehensive docstring I generated to implement the visualization action. I simply ask Cursor to complete the function based on this documentation, and it generates the necessary code in seconds. This powerful combination, size well-structured code stubs with clear documentation, plus modern AI coding tools, makes technical implementation accessible to business analysts with minimal coding experience, truly bridging the business-technical divide. With our visualization action implemented, I'll now publish the updated agent back to Studio. The Sema4.ai SDK provides bidirectional publishing capabilities between IDE and Studio, a unique feature you won't find in other tools on the market. Notice how Studio automatically imports our updated agent package and is preparing our agents and its actions for deployment. After publishing, Studio takes us to the deployment page where we can see our updated agent with the newly implemented Vega Lite visualization action. Lastly, we need to configure our Snowflake data lake connection, providing the database, schema, and warehouse information to ensure secure access to the procurement data. With these configurations in place, we're ready to deploy our fully functional agent with a single click. Let's rerun our discount analysis query in a new chat session and see the results. Now we get rich, interactive visualizations alongside our textual insights. Our custom action that we generated in Cursor with the help of size stubs and docstrings works perfectly. This demonstrates the seamless integration between generated code stubs and the final implementation, proving that business analysts can successfully bridge the technical gap with minimal coding. With Sci, we've democratized enterprise agent creation, empowering business analysts to build sophisticated AI solutions without depending on developers. From runbook creation to action generation to deployment, Sci handles the technical complexity while keeping business experts in control. This is the future of enterprise AI, business-led, AI-assisted, and remarkably efficient. Thank you.